guys. Thanks for joining me on today. I really appreciate it. So I'm going to jump right into this. I don't want it to be too long, but I'm just going to kind of go over this book called Profit First by Michalowicz. This is a financial book to help business owners, newcomers into the business, entrepreneurs, to help manage their business bank accounts. Okay. So, obviously in the book, he talks about him and his clients and how their spending was out of control. They couldn't really pay themselves, and they couldn't see any money in their business. So I'm sure through a lot of trial and error, he came up with this business model to again help companies see a profit, cut unnecessary spending, and to be able to pay themselves a decent amount every month. So I'm going to jump right into it. So he has 4 core principles, okay? Number 1 is use small plates. Number 2, serve sequentially. 3, remove temptation. And 4, enforce a rhythm. So we're going to start off with using small plates. So basically, in this first step, you set up 5 business bank accounts at the same bank under the same name. All right, and those bank accounts are all checking accounts. They are named income, profit, owner's compensation, which is where you can pay yourself, tax, Uncle Sam, and then operating expenses. And then in the operating expenses is where you pay your bills. Number 2, serve sequentially. Now this is just moving money based on percentages from the income account, which is your main account, to those other 4 accounts. All right, so I'm just going to go over a really quick and easy example. All right, so like again, income is going to be your main account because this is where all the money is going to be deposited into from your clients, your website, your phone, your cash app. All of that money from your clients and your customers are going to be deposited into your income account. And then you see these numbers next to the accounts. And this is how much of that money you're going to deposit into that account. So you see profit is 1%, owner's comp 40, taxes 10%, owner's expenses 49%. So again, example, you have $100 in income, you split the money into the given percentages. So again, profit would be $1, owner's comp $40, taxes $10, owner's expenses $49. Number 3, removing temptation. Another suggestion is to open up 2 savings accounts at another bank that has limited convenience for you. Out of sight, out of mind. So basically, those 2 accounts will be profit and taxes. And so the only way that you'll be able to deposit money into these 2 savings accounts is by setting up external transfers in your checking accounts. This will be the only way that you can really deposit money. Now, you won't be able to withdraw any money out of it so easily. By the time you have to go and take this money out, it will be a hassle and it might not even have been worth it. So, again, these 2 accounts are those do not touch accounts. All right, number 4, enforce a rhythm. This is setting up a schedule for your money. So you will disperse the money and pay your bills only twice a month. The author suggests the 10th and the 25th. However, do what works for you. My bills come out the 1st and the 15th, and so that's when I will be able to pay my bills. You can always call your service providers to see if they can move your date for you if you want to go by these rules, and that's fine if you do. But if you can't, you just can't, and you just do it accordingly, okay? And by doing this is going to see how much money is going to be accumulated into the income account, but it's also going to show you how much money is coming out in that owner's expenses account as well. All right, and so in the book, the author has an assessment graph, and this is for you to assess your business financially. Now, I'm not going to lie. I don't like graphs. I don't like math. I don't like any of it. So it took me a long time to do this just because I shied away from it. I just, again, didn't want to do it. I'm not good in that area. However, this graph will definitely help you see if you're spending too much for your expenses, if you're not making enough money, it will definitely show you where you are financially. So, excuse me, he has two terms that kind of associates with the graphs. CAP, current allocation percentages. Where are you financially? Okay, this will determine your current percentages right now. Now, he doesn't give a cap number for the other accounts, like the expenses, taxes, and compensation. But for profit, he did give the number 1%, only because a lot of business owners have not exercised this option before. A lot of business owners pay the bills first. They do payroll, they do taxes, and then whatever's left, then that's when they move that money to profit. However, this is basically pay yourself first concept when it's really, or you can say pay your business first concept. Okay. And so moving on to the second term is the TAP. This is a target allocation percentages. And this is the goal that the author wants, companies to achieve. He wants the company to move from 1% to 5% in profit. Owners comp 50%. He wants you all to be able to make a living off of the things that you're doing. Taxes, Uncle Sam has to get his cut, 15%. Owners' expenses, 30%. Now, I know for me, mine is all the way up there. And so one way to get this percentage down is by cutting out unnecessary bills, unnecessary expenses. When you're out on the road, you're eating all the time when you could have packed a lunch. Your gas mileage. Maybe, you can drive over here instead of over there. Whatever it is, if you're able to cut out some bills or some expenses, this will definitely help lower those expenses and to help you maintain more profit in your business. Okay. Now we do have to think not every business is going to look the same. We're in different industries. And so again, those numbers will be different for every company. Okay. So hopefully this video was helpful to you all. If you all need any further explanation, please let me know in the comment section. Now the book is very detailed. It's really very detailed. However, I tried to simplify it for you all. Just kind of give you an idea of how you can start managing your business bank accounts right now. So again, any questions, let me know. Subscribe, please, like, and I will see you all soon. Yeah, have a good one. Peace.